These raised garden beds from Garsence can be constructed into 12 different planter boxes. These modular metal planters are 17 inches tall and are available in silver, green, or white. They come in single or 2-pack units. The planters are created with aluminum and zinc galvanized steel, which makes them twice as strong as other galvanized steel. The kit comes with instructions, all necessary hardware, safety gloves, and a lovely full-color guide with a lot of helpful information on raised bed gardening. The first bed took me an hour to put together, mainly because I had to decide what size and shape I wanted. The second bed took me 45 minutes. I highly recommend using a power drill and open wrench to make assembly much quicker and easier. I'm so pleased with how these beds turned out. I ordered a total of 3 and made them into 6 by 4 feet rectangles to fill the space I was working with. I hope this review was helpful. Thanks for watching.